Namaskar, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of the probability and random process curriculum, today we are going to discuss about probabilities of sample paths. Probabilities of sample paths, and for the sake of the convenience of your understanding, I would like to share some material for that. And you see the topic, this is probabilities of sample paths. So firstly, let us see the introduction, that what we mean actually, what is the meaning of the term probabilities of sample paths, and what is the actually practical meaning of sample paths, which path may be supposed to be sample paths, and so on. So a basic issue in analyzing the structure of a stochastic process is to describe its finite dimensional distributions. Students, please note or take the screenshot of this also. A basic issue in analyzing the structure of a stochastic process is to describe its finite dimensional distributions. The section shows that these distributions for a Markov chain Xn are simply products of its transition, probabilities, and probability distribution of initial state X0, capital X0. Finite dimensional distributions and more general properties of sample paths 2 are conveniently expressed by n-step transitional probabilities, which are obtained as the nth product of transition matrix. I hope a little bit you have either got or you have a little bit confusion. You have to say that whether you have little bit confusion or whether you have got little bit about the concept of probability of sample paths. But this fact is very much clear by going through these all we have discussed here. So students, you are advised that you once go through this, and in case of any query, note it down, and we shall discuss later on when you will be interacting to you during the live session. So here is you can say in probabilities of sample paths, here is a proposition, and proposition means it is just like a theorem. So you have to write this. Let us write this portion. I am giving highlights to this. This is, you can suppose that this is your question and this is the proof of the question. So firstly, let us write this proposition. Let Xn, capital X, small n, let Xn is a Markov chain on capital S with transition probabilities Pij and initial distribution alpha I is equal to probability of X0 is equal to I. Then for any I0, I1, I2, in belongs to S and a small n greater than or equal to 0, the probability of X0 is equal to I0, I1, I2 up to Xn is equal to In. and this is equal to, you see the RHS what has been written. So please write this result. Means you have to, by considering this whole fact, then you have to show this probability value of this LHS is equal to this RHS. This is one of the, you can say, proposition. This is one of the corollaries that is based on the concept of probabilities of sample paths. So students, if you allow me, then I would like to divide this proof in the two parts. In today's lecture, we shall see the 50% proof of this proposition, and the next 50% we shall be discussing in the next lecture. So let us see, by proceeding by induction, the statement is obvious for n is equal to 0. You know that how to check the, you can say, truthness and falseness of a statement. You know that this is assessed, or this is examined by the principle of mathematical induction. In short, you say that this is PMI, capital P, capital I, capital P, capital M, capital I, means principle of mathematical induction. And in PMI, you know, you check that if a statement is true for n is equal to 0, then it is true for n is equal to 1, then it is true for n is equal to 3, n is equal to 5. Then finally you suppose that if it is true for n is equal to m, then you take the decision that then the outcomes that are going to be obtained after n is equal to m plus 1 will also be true. So that is called the principle of mathematical induction, and I hope that you have gone through that very fact in your secondary level mathematics. So proceeding by induction, this statement is obvious for n is equal to 0. Now assume it is true for some n, small n, and let an is equal to x naught is equal to this value. Then the statement is true for n is equal to 1. Since Pan plus 1 is equal to Pn into probability of this is equal to this, and where, you know, this is the, this result, probability of xn is equal to xn plus 1 such that an is equal to Pin comma in plus 1 by Markov properties. So I am stopping its proof in this terminal, and the later part, the next part of this same theorem will be discussed the next class. So students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And in case of any query or any confusion, write your comment in the inbox. We shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying this lecture. Thanks again, students. Next, in the next portion of the theorem, the next